What's up guys, and it's time to put the new super powerful Note 9 leaks to sleep. In this video, we're taking a look at the new leaks that came out this week regarding the Galaxy Note 9, especially taking a detailed look at the capabilities of the new Bluetooth powered Galaxy Note 9 S Pen, and also taking a recap at everything else. We're less than a month away from the Note 9 announcement and there's still no Galaxy Note 9 live leak. Everything we have seen is in the renders form plus some cases to show the physical design changes, which by the way is mostly the same except for that fingerprint scanner on the back, and it's going to be thicker because of that sweaty 4000 mAh battery. So the leakster were failed to bring the Galaxy Note 9 live leak for us, but now we have the first live Galaxy Note 9 appearance. And no, it's not a leak or anything. You guys recognize this legend DJ Koh. He actually appeared at a recent media event carrying the new Galaxy Note 9 ahead of its official unveiling. Like a boss, like no F's given, and he actually offered a few details surrounding the new S Pen, which is coming with the Bluetooth connectivity, and it's kind of confusing what the purpose of this will be, but the new details will clear up the dust. So DJ Koh said that the Galaxy Note 9 S Pen will have many new features, which explains why they are teasing the S Pen as the main teaser feature. The S Pen will be equipped with Bluetooth technology that can be used as a remote for media controls and also as a camera shutter button for pictures, which is really dope. Now what's even dope is the new details that came from one of the comments on the Reddit Android community. So apparently the S Pen will get charged while it's inside the phone. It will take about 40 seconds to charge and the battery will last about 200 clicks. It also functions as the camera shutter button from up to 60 feet away and can be mapped to other features such as launching a specific application for both short and long pressing. He further mentions that if you buy a blue Galaxy Note 9, you'll get a yellow S Pen and a yellow always on display text. And with the rest of the model, the color for the S Pen seems to be black. It uses low Bluetooth energy, so it's not going to be affecting the battery life, and it will get paired when it's inserted in the phone. He further mentions that there will be a 512GB version of the Galaxy Note 9 with 8GB of RAM, which is for the first time on a Samsung phone. And obviously this will be for selected markets, probably China and definitely not US. So the S Pen is now explained. It gives you remote control functions. You can take pictures by using it as a shutter button. You can assign applications to its short and long press action. Overall, it's definitely looking like a nice upgrade over the previous generation of the S Pen. Also, there's been a mystery Galaxy Note 9 variant with the next generation Exynos 9820 processor, and it has been spotted bench pressing some scores at Geekbench 4. And hot damn, look at that score. It's scoring the highest multi-score of any phone out there, a whopping 12,000 plus score. Now hold your horses before you pop that champagne. According to Ice Universe, this is fake. The Galaxy Note 9 is rocking the same chipset as the Galaxy S9 family. This could either be fake or it's an early Exynos 9820 prototype score test, but nonetheless it looks pretty damn awesome. So you should not be expecting the Exynos 9820 inside the Note 9. It will still have the same internal chipset as the Galaxy S9 family. In fact, all the Android phones coming later this year, even the Pixel phone that is coming right at the end of the year, it will also going to have the same chipset like Snapdragon 845. Also, Android headlines claim that this is the official Galaxy Note 9 render, which actually doesn't look official from any angle, but you can see that it's a render based on the Galaxy Note 9 dimension info, and just a general look wise, it's the same phone with just a better fingerprint scanner placement on the back. And as for the specification, here they are. The most awesome change on the Note 9 has to be its 4000 mAh battery, although it's confirmed that charging speeds are actually the same as the last year model, so no change with that, making it the most powerful battery flagship Galaxy phone ever that could finally give you that 1 day plus of solid usage. Now as for pricing, according to spiderweb.pl, they broke the pricing information of the standard / base version of the Note 9, which is actually going to be of the standard slash base version of the Galaxy Note 9, which is actually rocking 128 gigs of memory instead of 64, along with 6 gigs of RAM, and it's set to cost $960, which is near $1,000 mark, and it's matching the price of the Galaxy Note 8 from last year. The source also confirmed some previous rumors, such as the S Pen will going to have Bluetooth connectivity, and at launch it will have black, blue, and purple color, with brown and gray colors to be region specific. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will get officially announced in less than a month on August the 9th, live in New York City at the Samsung Unpacked event. So yeah guys, that's all we have on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This video should wrap up all the leaks and stuff. Hopefully there might be some live hands-on leak in the future, which we'll cover soon. But yeah, this is pretty much what we have with the Note 9. The S Pen features are explained, and the pricing is said to be near $1,000, and that explains why Samsung might actually discontinue the Galaxy Note 8, because there is so much similarities between the two phones. So let me know your thoughts down below. Are you considering to upgrade to this phone, or are you going to wait till the next year where the greatness lies? So thank you so much for watching. Again, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please subscribe to this channel with notifications on. We're trying to reach 1 million subscribers this year, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.